Brilliant. But can we wrap this up with the idea? I mean, a semantic search engine, a machine that understands the world, doesn't have a sense of humor, doesn't have a sense of poetry, doesn't have a sense of, it doesn't really have culture. It doesn't actually understand. Is that fair? I mean, I can't make jokes or write poetry on my webpage anymore if I want to rank.
It depends on the topic, because if it is,
it depends. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a bit. I had to tell that, because when it comes to the understanding, they can understand the concepts, they can understand the related things to each other. For instance, just other day, I'm actually creating a kind of course for the traffic think tank, and I will use the dog foods for my second lecture there, and I was generating semantically relevant queries there. For instance, for I have used two templates there. One of them is can dogs eat? The other one is X good for dog? So basically, can dogs eat apple? Can dogs eat banana? Can dogs, etc., etc. Always there is a food there. And then actually, I realized that whenever there is not enough level of relevance on the SERP or the documents, Google replaces the entity with the best possible close example. For instance, the other way I have searched it for as a taco type. It's a food from United States, the taco, you know. Yep. And I have used a really, really weird taco type there. And there was not the word taco in the query, but still they were able to actually relate these things to each other, because the taco was the hypernym actually, and that type was the hyponym. So there is a relation between them in terms of taxonomy and also in terms of lexical semantics and relations. So they're able to replace them, or they're able to relate them to each other. So in this context, I can tell they can also understand the humor on a level, because I believe that's why they started to care about a little bit the comments and reviews for the products as well.
Ooh.
Because I have actually read a couple of research.